G'day everyone. So in this one we're going to be looking at solving application questions to simultaneous equations. So what you need to do is, whenever you get this, you need to write out two different equations. Okay, so we need to figure out two equations we can get from this. So we'll break down the question. Wally bought 3 identical hats and 4 identical scarves for $70. From the same store another day, he bought 5 hats and 2 scarves for $64.40. So now we need to figure out how much each hat and each scarf costs. So we're going to have two variables. H is going to equal hat, how much that costs, and we'll call S is scarf. Oh, that's horrible writing. And how much they cost. Okay, so first off, they had 3 identical hats and 4 scarves for $70. So we can say 3 identical hats is just like saying 3H, and 4 scarves, 4S, is going to equal 70. Alright. Same store another day, he bought 5 hats, so 5H plus 2S was equal to 64.40. So this is how you can break down these worded questions into simultaneous equations. Okay? So now it's all about getting our variables the same. You can do it by elimination or substitution. It doesn't state in the question, so you can feel free to use either way. I'll probably use elimination for this. Okay, so I'm going to multiply this first equation by 2 so I can get our not the first equation, the second equation. I'm going to multiply the second equation by 2 so I can get the coefficients of scarves the same, so I can eliminate. So that's what the plan is there. Okay. So here I'm going to make equation 3, and this is going to be all this by 2, so it's going to be 10H plus 4S is equal to, so 64.40 times 2, so it's going to be 128.80. So now I'm going to do equation 3 minus equation 1. Okay? So here we've got 10H plus 4S, and we're going to be minusing 3H plus 4S. That's going to be 128.80 minus 70. Okay, so with this, we just need to expand out our bracket here. So we've got 10H plus 4S minus 3H minus 4S. And this is going to be equal to $58.80. Alright, so our minus 4S, positive 4S cancel out, perfect, we've eliminated. Now we've got 10H minus 3H, so 7H is equal to 58.80. Okay, so H we need to divide by 7. Is going to equal $8.40. Now we just need to sub this in. Okay, I'm just going to scroll down. So here we're going to sub H is equal to 840, and we're going to substitute this, and I might substitute it into 1. Okay, yet again, it doesn't matter which equation you substitute it in. So we've got 3 times $8.40 plus 4s is equal to 70. So with this, 3 times 840, this is actually $25.20 plus 4s is equal to 70. So this 25.20 is the easiest to get rid of, so we're going to minus that from both sides. So 4s is equal to $45.80. And we're going to divide that by 4. Just make sure I got that right. $25.20, yes. Oh, sorry, that's why. I thought that looked wrong. That's 44, not 45. Very simple mistake to make, okay, when you're not thinking. So that's $44.80. Okay, and now we need to divide by 4. Okay, so our scarf is going to equal $11.20. Okay, so it's always good for our worded question that we just had up here. Sorry, zoom out so we can see it all. So it's always good to have a worded question, to have a worded response. So with this, I'm just going to put this here. So therefore, the hats cost was $8.40 each. And the scarves and the scarf cost $11.20 each. Okay, so with worded questions, essentially, just make sure you set up your 2 equations at the start from your information. Okay, then you can use the elimination or substitution method. You might want to rearrange one equation to get a variable by itself and you then use the substitution method. You can do that, or you can use the elimination method just like I did there. Okay, so hopefully this helps with worded questions, and good luck.